Are you confused about whether this is the right time to study abroad? With Canada visa refusals increasing, Australia tightening financial requirements, and global uncertainty everywhere, should you still go abroad or stay in India?
Things have changed. Canada has increased scrutiny. Australia now demands stronger financial proof. Many countries are becoming more selective. So, is this the right time? Yes, but not for everyone. You should go abroad if you want global exposure, have a career clarity, and are ready financially.
You should stay in India if you have access to top institutions, are not financially ready, or are still exploring your goals.
Explore smarter destinations: Europe, UK, Australia, Canada, and even Dubai, but choose wisely.
This is not a bad time to study abroad. This is a smart decision-making time.
In the next video, we'll show you how to choose the right country and what factors you must consider. Follow us and stay ahead. For any query, call us on +91 781 45 55151.